Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in Jacksonville Beach, better known as Jax Beach, right here in Florida, outside of Jacksonville in North Florida, along the East Coast, the Atlantic Ocean, visiting Beach Bowl. Beach Bowl is what it sounds like, lanes of bowling. But it is more too, because it is also an entertainment center with an arcade, outdoor dining, and indoor dining too. And this video will be having as much fun as we can take on a weekday night. And we want you all, our fellow travelers, fellow fun and adventure seekers, to join us off the couch for some midweek fun as well. As I've said already a couple of times already, it is a weekday. It is a Tuesday. So we are taking advantage of one of the specials throughout the week. There are multiple different specials that go on here at Beach Bowl. And we're doing the $3 bowling and $3 shoes tonight. And I recommend checking the social accounts to see what may be possibly going on during your visit. I also recommend checking ahead for wait times, because we have just arrived and it is an hour to an hour and a half wait to bowl. That's okay though, because as I said, this is an entertainment center, so we have plenty to do and see. So let's take a look around. First, I love the colors and the decor, and I love all of the seating options too. Upstairs, there is a patio, plenty of TVs, a full bar. Also upstairs is a VIP party room where you can bowl privately. Back downstairs, there's more seating, more bars, and the arcade. So you see there are plenty of options to have yourself a good time. If you do get here and if you happen to have a wait, then there are plenty of options to entertain everyone. We do have a bit of a wait still, so we will go ahead and take a look at the menu so we can get something to eat and something to drink. There are a lot of choices on the menu that look good. And since there are the 4 of us, the easiest option is normally pizza. And we do love the pizza options that's listed here on the menu. So that is what we're going with. And before we can eat upstairs, our lane is ready. So we are downstairs ready to bowl, and voila, here are the pizzas, supreme and meat lovers. And we have drinks like the AMF. I know what you're thinking, that's not a drink. Yeah, you are right. It's called a personal pitcher, and this pitcher is filled with vodka, rum, triple sec, gin, blue curacao, sour, and Sprite. And we won't keep this personal pitcher too personal. London and I will share, and we will get on with the bowling. First though, we do have to put on our shoes. How cute are these? This is the best I have ever felt in bowling shoes. And then there is the daunting task of picking out our ball. And now it's time to bowl. I do have to interrupt this steady stream of action to clarify that this is not a highlight reel. There was this time I bowled a strike, and some people were too busy eating and drinking to film. And yeah, I did miss London's strike too. I was eating. The pizza's good though. I mean, I love how soft the crust is, and I love the rawness and crispiness of the veggies too on the Supreme. Perfect combination. I also love this ramp my daughter gets to use. I took her bowling a few years back, maybe when she was 4, and there was no ramp, at least none that was offered. So this is so cool. It makes bowling more accessible and easier, which means more fun. What's also fun and cool, if you take your eyes off the ball for just a little bit and you focus on the lanes and look at the details, the lanes are numbered just like the streets in Jax Beach. So much fun to be had. Let us know, are you planning a trip to Jacksonville Beach? Will you be checking out Beach Bowl? Have you already been, and have you been recently? Because they underwent a renovation and reopened just a little bit over a year ago. So if you haven't checked it out recently, you haven't checked it out. And if you've yet to subscribe please. Each Saturday we are off our couch for a new adventure, and we plan to be back here still in Jacksonville Beach. So join us off the couch again, please. Also join us for our monthly newsletter. Each month we provide travel tips and travel freebies to help you when you find yourself off the couch. Check out the September newsletter under the post tab here on YouTube under community. Also, you can sign up on our website at offourcouch.com. As always, thank you for joining us here in Jacksonville Beach at Beach Bowl. Thank you for bowling with us. Thank you for hanging out with us. All of you join us off the couch week after week is what makes these adventures possible. So thank you. Until next week, click on the video to see another one of our experiences. Thanks for watching.